Hey everybody, let's take a little minute and make sure we know how to write about genotypes and phenotypes. So just to refresh our memories, when we talk about genotypes, we're talking about a set of alleles that express a gene. Phenotypes are the things we can see, observable characteristics of the genotype. Let's use an example. We'll work with the trait of dimples. I don't know if dimples follow the principle of Mendelian genetics, but we'll use it anyway for illustration purposes. Okay, so our trait is dimples. We'll use the letter B to signify the alleles for dimples. Remember, in Mendelian genetics, there are two phenotypes, dominant and recessive. Let's say that the dominant phenotype is no dimples. That makes the recessive phenotype dimples. So how do we annotate this? Again, when it comes to writing genotype, we need to keep the phenotype in mind. The two phenotype choices in Mendelian genetics are dominant and recessive. If we stick with the letter B for alleles, the dominant allele would be a capital B. Dominant alleles are always written with capital letters. Recessive alleles are always written with lowercase letters, so our recessive allele is a lowercase b. There are two genotypes that express the dominant phenotype, homozygous dominant with two capital B's, and heterozygous, a capital B and a lowercase b. These two genotypes express the phenotype of no dimples. There is only one genotype that it can express the recessive trait, homozygous recessive, or two lowercase b's. The genotype of two lowercase b's would give us the recessive trait of dimples. Okay, so hopefully that was a nice, strong review for you, and you feel confident that you can identify phenotype based on genotype or describe genotype based on phenotype using the two-letter annotation system. But you'll get a chance immediately to try that out. Move on to the next activity in this unit, which is the escape room, and we'll see if you have enough phenotype, genotype, Mendelian genetic skills to escape. Good luck.